I am Dr. Professor what? Persimium Pooh Bear. Pooh Pooh. Pooh Pooh. And our talk show host is Minnie.
Yeah, whatever. Woo! Yeah! Thank you, America! I love you all!
Minnie, did Mickey really break up with you?
Of course he did! Why didn't he?
You know you have tag on your ear.
So what? It's my earring! Or something like that. Why do you want to ask me? What? What? Huh?
Did you really love Mickey?
Of course I did. He broke my heart, man. Broke it.
Did he love Pink?
No, man. No. Go like this one. Okay.
It's last question.
Why? Stop talking about Mickey, dang it.
Okay. Well, does Mickey like you again?
No, dang it. He broke up with me. I'm gonna... Wait, is that the end one? I'm gonna punch you in the face.
How do I end it?
Push the button. The same button.